Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Instabridge app. So you can access a Play Store. Because I'm using Android device right now, you can try to search Instabridge Wi-Fi hotspot map. So about this app, if you don't know what is Instabridge, this is a secure internet, electronic SIM hotspot, home screen launcher, offline Wi-Fi hotspot map. So here you can hunt Wi-Fi, use this Instabridge app. So here instant connection, 20 megabyte Wi-Fi hotspot worldwide. You can unlock Wi-Fi, community sharing, save your mobile data, of course. You can get rewards by redeem points, one tap Wi-Fi access. So here after you install, now you can open, and like the Instabridge app keep asking give you notification to set Instabridge as your default launcher. So you can try it, but if you don't want to use Instabridge as default launcher, it's up to you, but you can skip it. And also make sure you grant location permission to find the best nearby Wi-Fi in the background. And here Instabridge will like scan nearby Wi-Fi, and also this is a map, like Wi-Fi map. Try to search the best Wi-Fi connection for your device. And also there's a VPN, make your internet connection ultra secure. Yes, you can simply tap start, and this is the settings. So you can set your Instabridge as your default browser. You can edit your profile, share Wi-Fi, offline regions, and of course you can join Instabridge Premium in order to enjoy all the services. You can earn points also, like make Instabridge as your default browser. You can get reward 750 points, watch a reward video, daily check-in, and so on. And this is where you can redeem your points. You can get Digo cloud storage, VPN, and so on. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.